Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today SanPal20 is super proud to present frijoles con carne deshilachada. So let's begin part 1 with our frijoles. To start off this recipe, we're going to take 1 pound of pink beans, we're going to rinse them nice and clean, and then we're going to submerge them in water overnight. So once this time has passed, we're now going to rinse them again nice and clean, and we're going to place our beans in the pressure cooker. We're going to add 1 full head of garlic, and we're going to add a couple of nice crunchy and meaty pork rinds. We're then going to add enough water to completely cover the beans. So this is somewhere around 1.5 liters to 2 liters of water. We're going to place the lid on it and we're going to let it cook for 45 minutes, give or take. Now once this time has passed, we're going to turn off the stove and we're going to allow the cooker to cool off completely, which is about 20 minutes before we remove the lid. We're going to turn the stove back on to low-medium heat, and we're going to add 1 chicken bouillon and stir. We're also going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of tomato paste and continuing to stir. We are also going to add half a tablespoon of salt. If we need more at this point, then we'll add some more. We are also going to add half a tablespoon of oregano, and we're going to stir everything together nicely. At this time, we're going to remove the garlic head that we added earlier. Now, while our beans are simmering, we're going to dice up 1 onion, 1 handful of culantro, and a handful of ají criollo. If you can't find this type of pepper, no worries, you could always use bell pepper. We're going to fry this in a pan with about 2 tablespoons of oil for 5 minutes, and we're just basically making a quick guiso. Once our guiso is done, we're going to add it to our beans and we're going to stir everything nicely. And we are done with our beans. We're going to stir and taste them. If they're nice and soft, they are done. If not, then give it another 10 or 15 minutes. And now for part 2, our carne deshilachada. So first of all, we're going to bring a pot of water to a boil, and we're going to add about 1 pound of skirt steak. We're going to boil this until tender, so roughly about an hour. Once it's fully cooked, we're going to allow the steak to cool off completely, and then using our hands or a fork, we're going to start to shred. We're now going to place a pot over medium heat, and we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of oil. We're going to allow this oil to heat up, and then we're going to add our shredded meat. We're going to fry this meat and we're going to stir it constantly. Now to our meat that's frying, we're going to add 1 tomato, 1 onion, and 1 green pepper. All of these have been sliced in half. Then we're going to stir fry until our meat is nice golden brown. So now once our meat is nice golden brown, around 10 to 15 minutes of stir frying, we're going to stir in 2 beaten eggs. We're going to continue to stir until the egg is completely cooked, and we're going to add a pinch of salt for taste. And voila, we have our delicious sopa de frijoles con carne deshilachada. Now we could have this all together poured over some rice, or we could have the beans on its own with some tortillas and also some aguacate inside. Whichever way you like to have it, delicious. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.